Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the corrupted Friday Night Funkin' version of Twilight Sparkle. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off on the right here, and we're going to draw the side of the face with the curve down. Now from the top, let's draw a curve down and extend it out to the right like this. Now at the end, we're going to curve it down and back up for the nose. And now inside, let's draw a small curve for the nostril. Now on the right side, let's add some eyelashes to the eye with two curves. Let's draw the left eye now. Let's move over to the left and we're going to draw a large curve up and back down around. Let's add some eyelashes now. On the top left, let's draw 3 larger eyelashes. And then 3 small ones on the bottom left. Let's draw the mouth now. On the left side of the eye, let's draw a curve down, stopping here. And now let's connect the line to the nose with the wavy line. Next, underneath on the right, let's draw a diagonal line down and to the left. Now let's hop back over to the left side of the mouth and we're going to draw a curve down and wave it over to the right like this. And then underneath, another curve for the jaw. Next, let's draw the ear on the top left. Let's start with the curve up like this. And then another curve down. Now inside, let's draw one more curve. Now let's draw her hair. From the right side of the ear, let's draw a curve down to the eye. Now let's angle it up and out. And then a curve V shape. And now one more curve all the way out to the right. Now let's close off the top of the hair with a wavy line like this. We're going to dip it down, up, and then back down. Now inside in the middle, let's draw 3 curves. Next, let's draw her horn. Inside on the hair, starting from the bottom, we're going to draw a curve up. And then on the other side, we're going to wave it back down like this. Now let's erase any of the lines inside the shape. And lastly, for the horn, let's draw a wavy line down the center. Now let's draw the hair under her ear. Let's move down under her ear and we're going to draw a curve down and to the right towards her mouth. And then add a line down. Next, we're going to draw a curved V shape out to the left and back in. And now another curve down. Next, let's close off the left side of the hair with a curve down, out, and back in. Now on the left side of the hair, we're going to draw a curve out with 3 bumps at the bottom like this. And bring it back up. And now erase the line inside. And lastly, for this piece of hair, let's draw 3 curves at the bottom here. And that's it for her head. Now let's draw her body next. Let's start underneath her jaw, and we're going to draw a line down and then curve it over to the left. Next, let's leave a gap for the leg, and then we're going to continue this line over to the left and back up. Now in the gap we left, let's draw her leg with 2 angled lines down. Now from the bottom, we're going to draw a wavy line inside the leg like this. So we're going to start with a larger bump up and then a smaller one here. Now let's finish off the bottom of her foot by rounding it off like this. Next, we're going to draw a bent leg on the right side here. On the right side of her body, let's draw a curve up and down to the right. Now let's move underneath, and we're going to draw another curve here. And then a small curve at the end. Now in between these lines, we're going to draw another wavy line like this. And then we're going to close off her hoof like this. Next, let's move back to the top, and we're going to draw a curve out to the left for the top of her body. Let's draw her wing next. Let's step down, and we're going to draw a large curve up and over to the top left like this. Now let's finish off the shape of the wing by drawing bumps all the way back down. Now inside the wing, let's start at the bottom, and we're going to draw a large S curve up, loop it back around like this. And then 3 small bumps underneath. Next, let's draw her other wing that's behind her head. So we're going to start above the back, and we're going to draw bumps all the way up to the ear. And then 2 more on the top of the head. Next, let's finish off her back leg. Underneath the wing, let's draw a curve down here. And then 1 more curve down. Next, let's move over to the right and draw a curve down for the other side of the leg. Now close off the bottom of the leg with another curve. Next, we're going to draw some blobs on this leg. So start at the top, and we're going to draw a circle at the top here. And now another piece in the center middle here. And 1 more on the bottom right. Now erase any of the leg lines inside these shapes. Let's draw her last leg now. In between her legs, let's draw 2 curves down. And then close off the bottom with the curve over to the right. Next, let's draw a blob shape in the top left. And 1 more on the bottom right. And then erase the leg line inside. Lastly, let's draw the tail. We're going to start on the top left of the wing, and we're going to draw a line in between here, and then continue it down to the left. Now at the bottom, let's draw an angled line. and now a curved V shape up and back down. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve down, in, back down, and up like this. And then a wavy line for the other side. Now inside, we're going to start on the left and we're going to draw another wavy line across and up like this. And lastly, we're going to draw 3 curves inside behind the wing. And that's it for Twilight Sparkle. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!